my colleague is Sneha Paul. We are from Caltech University. Our project is about magnetic suspension in four-wheel. We are from mechanical department, and our internal guide is Sir MP Shiva.
The abstract is to use magnetic suspension to overcome the problem of damping generated in present suspension system. Magnetic suspension is a method by which an object is suspended with no support other than magnetic field. The objective lies the reason for using magnetic suspension is that it gives more comfort and less vibration caused due to damping. Moreover, it increases the life of the suspension system. If we use magnetic suspension, there will be problem of leakage caused on modern suspension system. Magnetic suspension can be used in light vehicles, but the problem is that it cannot withstand more load. Hence, to overcome the problem, we have added spring on the suspension to overcome the issue on loads which can be used on heavy vehicles. The expected benefits are to provide good ride and handling performance, to ensure the steering control is maintained during maneuvering, to provide isolation from high frequency vibration from tire excitation. The advantages of magnetic suspension system over hydraulic pneumatic suspension are no need for external power, ease of control, absence of fluids, and better suspension. Here is the proposed design. Four bar magnets are introduced.
So I am going to explain about our model. In present suspension system, we have helical spring or ball spring. Or a spring we could say. But we have introduced a new method, what we call this magnetic suspension. Here the magnetic repulsive forces, helps the force suspension. The advantage of magnetic suspension system is there is no need for external power, ease of control and absence of fluid, better suspension. But the limitation is that in magnetic suspension, the workload would be too more than it can withstand the load. So we have introduced one more technique in it. Here we have introduced a helical spring in between the magnet. The magnetic repulsion forces and the spring compression forces help the car to replicate or minimize the damping effect produced on it.
The magnetic suspension spring model is given by. The advantages are there is no chance of leakage, low maintenance cost. The magnetic work for a minimum of 9 years, and there is no need for hydraulic or pneumatic fluids, and as a result it gives better suspension. The conclusion of the new design is tested and found that the damping problem is minimized. The new design helps with maintenance and also solve the problem of leakage of pipe and master cylinder. Thank you.